responsible for your rehabilitation. Hello, and thank you for tuning into my video series, You're Indicted and Facing Prison Now What? My name is Marc Blatstein. In 2006, I too was indicted and convicted of a felony and lost my medical license. To call this a life-altering event is at best an understatement, something that you all are going through today. With work, I was able to get my license reinstated in full in 2010. My takeaway, or the lesson I learned, is that prison is temporary. It's hard to see it now, and it's a bit premature, but before you get to your pre-sentence interview, in addition to all the information the probation officer wants, I highly recommend, as others do, that you include your own written personal narrative, your allocution, and a release plan, because the judge is going to want to know one way or another what's your plan not to come back to their courtroom. I didn't listen, and I suffered because of it. My goal in this series is to provide you with the information you'll need to survive and navigate these times, because knowledge together with preparation is going to help you build back the confidence you need to throughout this process. Since you've heard that the Department of Justice and the FBI have been asking questions, it's likely that their case against you is mostly complete, and they have a very high conviction rate approaching 98%. Delaying the take the next step early or now is at your peril, and that is you need to hire legal representation. You want someone who practices federal criminal defense in federal court. But hiring the legal team is not enough. It doesn't mean that you just have experience. You also want them to have a proven track record of successfully defending cases like yours. Plus, needs to be a good fit for you. You need to be comfortable talking with them. And so if you wind up in an agreement with a legal team or an attorney where you're not comfortable, it's not going to help you as you prepare for court. Therefore, the choices that you're making today are going to help you tomorrow. So it's worthwhile to put in the effort. Should you have questions, please do not hesitate to call and consider engaging my services at 240-888-7778. This is your life. I've been through it and came out the other side, and so too will you. Your case manager. Case manager has only seen and read your indictment. Another reason to have your well-written personal narrative included in your pre-sentence report. They've read your indictment and your pre-sentence report and may not fully understand your circumstances, as they only can rely on those details. And once the pre-sentence report is official, it's considered under seal, and it will follow you for the rest of your life. So everything is important and critical that's in it. It needs to be gone through with a fine-tooth comb, something I didn't do, but I wasn't in the right mental mindset to even do it. However, sharing your story through your narrative before your pre-sentence interview and including it in your pre-sentence report lets you take back some control of your life through your personal narrative by providing your story. Your story is similar to the breakfast cereal Wheaties, Breakfast of Champions, Nike, Just Do It, Tesla, SpaceX. Right now, your indictment is your story, your autobiography, released by the Department of Justice, and it's probably not that flattering. This can help you demonstrate in your personal narrative responsibility for accepting responsibility for your actions, remorse for any harm you've caused to victims, and highlight your unique circumstances and show that you're committed to rehabilitation. By doing this, you can distinguish yourself from others as you enter prison within the criminal justice system. Stakeholders, once you get into the criminal justice system or into prison, there's unit managers, case managers, wardens, but they see, and the most amount of input you're going to get is from case managers. But initially, you're just another number on the file, because they're seeing people come in every day. So in the back of your mind, how can you stand out different and exceptional, if you will, from everyone else that they have to deal with? Ultimately, this can help you work towards a successful reintegration back to home and into society. To engage my services or to have your concerns answered, give me a call today at 240-888-7778, 240-888-7778. This is my personal cell. I answer and return all calls, so please leave a message. In addition, you can get all this information for free on my website at pprsus.com, P as in Paul, P as in Paul, R as in Robert, S as in Sam, US.com, otherwise known as Physician Pre-Sentence Report Service. I appreciate you taking the time to listen, and have a good day.